In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark in Google Sheets. This is a valuable skill, particularly if you're looking to protect sensitive data that's shared through your spreadsheets, or if you just want to brand your documents consistently. Let's delve into this step-by-step process, ensuring you make the most of your Google Sheets capabilities. First, begin by opening a Google Sheet. This may be an existing document you've been working on, or a new one you're starting fresh. Once you have your Google Sheet open, locate the menu bar at the top of your screen and click on Insert. This drop-down menu gives you several options for adding elements and enhancements to your spreadsheet. Next, choose Drawing from the options available. The Drawing feature in Google Sheets will enable us to create the watermark. Once the drawing window opens, look for the text box icon located at the toolbar. Click on it, and a text box will appear within the drawing canvas. You can now type in the text you'd like to use as your watermark. Once you've entered the text, it's important to adjust its size for visibility. You can resize the text box by clicking and dragging the corners. For optimum readability, set the text size to a level that aligns with how prominent you wish the watermark to appear on your sheet. In this case, let's aim for a larger size, such as 24. Doing this ensures the watermark stands out, but doesn't overwhelm the spreadsheet content. After you've set the size, consider aligning the text. Center aligning is usually recommended for watermarks as it ensures they are evenly distributed across the page. Click on the Center Align button on the toolbar to adjust this. While you're at it, you might want to emphasize your watermark further by making it bold. Simply click on the bold icon represented by a B in the toolbar. When your text is formatted and precisely how you want it, it's time to integrate this creation into your Google Sheet. Head over to the upper right corner of the drawing window and click on Save and Close. This final action places the watermark on your spreadsheet as an image layer. Take a moment to check that your watermark appears as you'd envisioned. The beauty of using the drawing tool is you can always double-click on the inserted drawing to edit and adjust your watermark further if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully added a watermark to your Google Sheet. This simple method provides an effective way to professionally present your spreadsheets with a personalized touch. Whether you're protecting sensitive information or just want to add a unique flair, understanding how to effectively use watermarks is a valuable skill for any Google Sheets user. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different text sizes and positions until you achieve the ideal look for your documents.